I'm putting the OM-3 camera to the test to see if it really lives up to the hype. Let's find out if it's worth your money. So, the OM-3 camera has been taking the photography world by storm, claiming to offer some of the most impressive specs and features out there. But, as with any new piece of tech, there's always a lot of hype surrounding it. So, is it really worth all the fuss? When it comes to the OM-3, one of the biggest concerns for many potential buyers is the hefty price tag. Some are saying it's just not worth the cost, especially when you compare it to some of the other high-end cameras on the market. I mean, can it really deliver that much more than some of the other top-tier cameras out there? And what about the performance? Is it really as good as everyone's saying? Then, there are those who are skeptical about the battery life. Can it really last as long as Olympus claims? Or is it going to leave you hanging when you need it most? And what about the autofocus? Is it fast and reliable? Or is it going to leave you struggling to catch those critical moments? And let's not forget about the competition. How does the OM-3 stack up against some of the other big-name cameras out there? Is it really the best option? Or are there better choices for your hard-earned cash? When you start diving into the key features of the OM-3, it's clear that Olympus has really pushed the boundaries of what's possible with this camera. The stabilization system is incredibly impressive, offering some of the smoothest footage and most blur-free photos I've ever seen. And the weather sealing, it's truly built to withstand whatever the elements throw at it. But what really sets the OM-3 apart is its ability to deliver exceptional results, even in some of the toughest shooting conditions. Whether you're capturing fast-moving action or just trying to get that perfect portrait shot, this camera is more than up to the task. And when you read through the user reviews, it's clear that I'm not the only one who's impressed. Plenty of other photographers and videographers are raving about this camera. Personally, I was blown away by the OM-3's ability to capture stunning video footage. The colors, the contrast, the stabilization, it all comes together to create some truly breathtaking footage. And for me, that's what really sets this camera apart. So, after putting the OM-3 through its paces, I've come to a verdict. Is it worth the hype? Well, in my opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not perfect, of course, but for those who are willing to invest in a premium camera, I think you'll find that it's more than worth the cost. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the OM-3. Have you used it? What do you think? Leave your comments down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more camera reviews and tech content.